What the? I need it on my desk now! Woo! This fingerprint lock is every safe's nightmare. It locks anything easily and securely with just your finger. Alright, let's now test. Let me register my fingerprint. Wait, how did it unlock? What if I try? What? What if I try a lemon? That was my mistake. Now that I've registered my index finger, it won't unlock with anything else. But I found a bigger issue. If I tap it with something lightly, the lock opens. And I didn't even force to break it. This is trash. Do not buy it.